Hello everyone and welcome to Vital Mind. Today we're going to explore a topic that concerns us all: how to boost our energy naturally. We live in a world of hustle and bustle, always on the go, and sometimes it can leave us feeling drained. But the truth is, we don't always need that extra shot of espresso to get through the day. In this video, I'm sharing 10 simple, practical tips to help you tap into your natural energy reserves and feel more revitalized throughout your day. Let's get started. Our first tip is as essential as it is simple. Hydrate yourself. You've probably heard it a million times, but there's a reason why doctors like me won't stop talking about water. It's truly the lifeblood of our bodies, and it plays a vital role in maintaining our energy levels. Think of it this way. Your cells are like tiny engines, and they need water to function optimally. When you're dehydrated, those engines start sputtering, leading to fatigue and brain fog. Now, we're all different. So there's no one-size-fits-all answer to how much water you should drink. But a good rule of thumb is to aim for at least 8 glasses a day. Carry a reusable water bottle with you and sip on it throughout the day. You can even add some slices of lemon, cucumber, or mint for a refreshing twist. Here's a little trick. Pay attention to the color of your urine. If it's pale yellow, you're well hydrated. If it's darker, it's a sign you need to up your water intake. Remember, staying hydrated is one of the simplest yet most powerful things you can do to boost your energy and feel your best. Tip number 2 is all about making smart food choices, specifically when it comes to snacking. We've all been there. That mid-afternoon slump hits, and you're reaching for the nearest sugary snack for a quick pick-me-up. But here's the thing. Those sugary treats might give you a temporary energy spike, but they're often followed by an even bigger crash, leaving you feeling more drained than before. Instead of falling into the sugar trap, opt for healthy snacks that provide sustained energy. Think whole foods that are packed with nutrients and fiber. Fruits like bananas, apples, and berries are great options. A handful of nuts or seeds can also provide a healthy dose of protein and healthy fats. And if you're looking for something a bit more substantial, consider a natural energy bar made with whole grains, nuts, and dried fruits. Just be sure to check the label and choose one that's low in added sugar. Remember, the key is to fuel your body with nourishing foods that provide sustained energy, not just a quick fix. Tip number 3 might seem counterintuitive, especially when you're feeling tired, but trust me on this one exercise. I know, when you're exhausted, the last thing you'd probably want to do is hit the gym. But here's the thing, exercise is like a natural energy drink for your body. Even a short 10-minute walk can do wonders for your energy levels. It gets your blood pumping, increases circulation, and delivers oxygen to your brain and muscles, which in turn boosts your energy and improves your mood. And the best part is, you don't have to run a marathon to reap the benefits. Incorporate short bursts of activity throughout your day. Take the stairs instead of the elevator. Park further away from your destination and enjoy a brisk walk. If you're working from home, get up and move around every hour or so. Do some stretches, jump jacks, or even just walk around your house. Every little bit counts. Chapter 4. The power of breaks. Tip number 4 is all about working smarter, not harder, and that involves giving yourself permission to take breaks. In our always-on culture, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and think that taking breaks is a sign of weakness. But the truth is, our bodies aren't designed to operate at full speed without any downtime. Just like a machine needs time to cool down and recharge, so do we. Taking regular breaks throughout the day can actually make you more productive and energized in the long run. When you're feeling mentally drained or physically fatigued, step away from your work and give yourself a few minutes to recharge. Go for a quick walk outside, get some fresh air, or simply close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. You can also use your break time to do some light stretches or listen to some uplifting music. Chapter 5. Prioritize sleep. Tip number 5 is all about making sleep a non-negotiable part of your routine. We often underestimate the power of quality sleep when it comes to our overall health and well-being, including our energy levels. When you don't get enough sleep, it's like running your body on a sleep deficit, and just like a car running on fumes, you're bound to hit empty sooner or later. When you sleep, your body goes into repair mode, restoring and rejuvenating itself for the day ahead. Getting enough sleep allows your body and mind to fully rest and recharge, so you can wake up feeling refreshed, focused, and energized. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Chapter 6. Find your calm with meditation. Tip number 6 is one of my personal favorites, and it's something I try to practice daily: meditation. Now, I know meditation might seem a little woo-woo for some, but trust me, it's a powerful tool for calming the mind, reducing stress, and yes, even boosting your energy. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the constant stream of thoughts, worries, and to-dos. This mental clutter can be incredibly draining, leaving you feeling mentally exhausted. Meditation is like a mental detox. It's a practice of intentionally calming the mind, focusing on the present moment, and letting go of distracting thoughts. Tip number 7 is all about getting a little sunshine in your life. You see, natural light, especially sunlight, plays a crucial role in regulating our sleep-wake cycle and boosting our energy levels. When you expose yourself to sunlight, particularly in the morning, it signals to your brain that it's time to wake up and be alert. Sunlight also helps your body produce vitamin D, which is essential for a variety of bodily functions, including mood regulation and energy production. So really make it a habit to get at least 15 to 20 minutes of sunlight exposure each day. Take a walk during your lunch break, sit by a sunny window while you enjoy your morning coffee, or simply step outside for a few minutes and soak up some rays. Chapter 8. The Power of Music. Tip number 8 is all about tapping into the power of music to uplift your mood and give you an instant energy boost. Music has an incredible ability to influence our emotions and energy levels. Now think about it, when you're feeling down, a catchy tune or an upbeat melody can instantly lift your spirits. The same goes for when you're feeling tired or sluggish. Music can provide that extra pep in your step. Create a playlist of your favorite upbeat songs, the ones that make you want to get up and dance or sing along at the top of your lungs. Chapter 9. Caffeine in moderation. Tip number 9 is all about being mindful of our caffeine intake. Now, I'm not saying you have to give up your morning coffee altogether. I know I wouldn't be able to function without mine, but it's important to consume caffeine in moderation. While that cup of joe can provide a temporary energy boost, excessive caffeine consumption can actually lead to energy crashes later on. It can also interfere with your sleep, which, as we discussed earlier, is crucial for maintaining optimal energy levels. If you find yourself relying on multiple cups of coffee throughout the day to stay awake, it might be a sign that you need to address the underlying causes of your fatigue, such as lack of sleep, poor diet, or stress. Chapter 10. Cultivate gratitude. And finally, tip number 10 is all about cultivating a mindset of gratitude. You might be wondering how grateful can possibly be your energy, but the connection is actually quite. When you focus on the good things in your life, no matter how small they seem, it shifts your perspective and helps you appreciate the moment. This positive outlook can have a ripple effect on your overall well-being, including your energy levels. Start by incorporating a simple gratitude practice into your daily routine. Take a few minutes each morning to reflect on things you're grateful for. There you have it, our 10 simple tips to boost your energy naturally. I hope these tips help you feel more alert and revitalized in your daily life. Remember, small changes can make a big difference, and by incorporating these tips into your routine, you'll be well on your way to feeling your best. Don't forget to subscribe to Vital Mind for more health and wellness tips, and share your own tips in the comments below. What are some things you do to boost your energy naturally? Let's share ideas and support each other on our journeys to living healthier, more energized lives. See you soon for another video, and don't forget to click the bell to be notified of our upcoming videos.